Dear viewers, welcome to the program Voice of Saints. On November 11th, the Catholic Church honors Saint Martin of Tours, who left his post in the Roman army to become a soldier of Christ as a monk and later a bishop. Saint Martin of Tours was born in Severia, Pannonia, in the year 316 AD. Just before Martin was born, Christianity was legalized in the Roman Empire. It was not the official religion of the state, but it could be practiced and proclaimed openly. The gospel message soon flourished in the ancient Rome, transforming the empire. Martin's parents were pagans, but at the age of 10, Martin chose to follow the call of the gospel and became a Christian. At the age of 15, Martin was required to follow his father in the cavalry corps of the Roman military. By the time he was 18, Martin is believed to have served in Gaul and also eventually in Milan and Treves. As a young soldier, Martin encountered a beggar. The beggar was unclothed and it was very cold. Martin removed his cloak and with his sword, he cut it in half. He gave the half to the beggar and dressed himself in the remnant. That night, Martin had a vision in which Christ appeared to him. The vision spoke to him, "Martin, a mere catechumen, has clothed me." It was said that he lived more like a monk than a soldier. At 23, he refused a war bonus and told his commander, "I have served you as a soldier. Now, let me serve Christ. Give the bounty to those who are going to fight. But I am a soldier of Christ, and it is not lawful for me to fight." After great difficulties, he was discharged and went to be a disciple of Hilary of Poitiers. He later had a vision that compelled him to return to his mother in Pannonia, and he did see his mother to faith in Jesus Christ. Following his teacher Hilary, Martin returned to Tours. Hilary gave Martin a small piece of land where he and his disciples established a monastery and lived. In the year 371, he became the Bishop of Tours. As a bishop, Martin established a system of parishes to manage his diocese. He made it a point to visit all the parishes of his diocese once a year. In addition to this, he combated paganism. He passionately and faithfully proclaimed the gospel of Jesus Christ and won many to Christian faith. Many miracles and casting out of demons were attributed to Martin during his lifetime. Martin died in the year 397. Saint Martin is the patron of the poor, soldiers, tailors, and winemakers. On behalf of the Saints Fans Association, I wish you a very happy feast of Saint Martin of Tours. Amen.